777 in the Continental merger livery. So,
What does that mean?
it's like this is like when they merged with Continental Airlines. So basically, they just replaced the Continental letters with United instead. Yeah, so let's unbox this, I guess. This way around. Once you unbox it, it comes with the packed fuselage, a manual, engines, the 2 wings, and the parts for the stand, and not to mention the vertical stabilizers on the back. Poof! We are now back at home, and everything is unboxed. So you might be wondering why we're already at home. Well, the camera kind of had a technical difficulty in Seattle, which means we had to refilm it back here at home. So yeah, let's try and put this together. So we'll pick up from where we left off with all these parts out. So let's put it together. Let me briefly go over again what parts come with the box. So of course we got the main fuselage. A lot of detail there. And then we got the vertical stabilizers on the back. The wings. The engines made by General Electric. And then the stand itself, showing United Airlines 777-200ER. The ER means extended range. So extended range means that this 777 exactly can fly a bit longer than the average 777-200 normal model. Okay, let's put the aircraft together. Start with the wings. You slide the engines on? Yeah, you slide the engines on. And then put it on the fuselage. Second wing and engine. There we go. Then connect it here. Right, come on. There we go. Then the vertical stabilizers, okay. Need to figure out which one goes on which side. So what a vertical stabilizer does for an airplane is that it helps get the aircraft up in the air, meaning it produces lift for the aircraft along with the flaps, which are on the wings. So this is the completed model. It doesn't need glue, and it takes it took me about 1 minute to complete the model. And let's put it on the stand now. Also, this is made by Darren. And there we go. The United Airlines 777ER 200ER on its stand and completed. Is 1/200, and it's pretty big. You might think this is heavy, but actually it's pretty light. So this airplane is actually has very authentic markings, as you can see, very accurate. And then it also has the display stand included, which makes it look like it's like ascending into the sky. And then it's also actually made out of a durable plastic metal, unlike a lot of toy planes back in the 90s and 80s and early 2000s. This is actually made of plastic, not metal. And like I said before, this does not require glue. It is an easy snap model, and it's a true to scale one as well. So the specific company Darren actually owns, which makes this model, is called Skymarks. Note, this is not an advertisement. I just happen to like their planes a lot. And just to make a comparison, there's a surprise for all of you. This is my smaller United Airlines 747-400 model. And as you can see, beside the 777, It's pretty small. Wow. So, a fun fact about the 777 is that it was launched with United, launched on April 9th, 1994. And United was the launch customer for the 777 coincidentally. So, United still has Boeing 777s in its fleet today, and United actually used the 777 to replace the 747, which they do no longer have. The reason United replaced the 747 with the 777 was because the 747 wasn't that efficient because they had 4 engines, meaning it would take up more fuel, but the 777 has 2 engines, meaning it will take up less fuel, still flying over a very good range. Also, to make it clear, this is not an advertisement for United Airlines, part of the Star Alliance. Still, if you're watching, love you, United! If you want to see more videos like this, click the like and subscribe down below. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos on my channel. Bye! And with that, T3 flying out.